I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I open the curtain and let sunlight in. I open the curtain and let sunlight in. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly. I arrange the pillows. I arrange the pillows. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth with toothpaste. I brush my teeth with toothpaste. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I feel fresh and ready for the day. I feel fresh and ready for the day. I sweep the floor with a broom. I sweep a floor with a broom. I mop the floor with water. I mop the floor with water. I dust the shelves. I dust the shelves. I wipe the window with a cloth. I wipe the window with a cloth. I wash the dirty dishes in the sink. I wash the dirty dishes in the sink. I throw the garbage in the bin. I throw the garbage in the bin. I water the plants in the balcony. I water the plants in the balcony. I feed the cat. I feed the cat. I tidy the living room. I tidy the living room. Now the house looks clean and bright. Now the house looks clean and bright. I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I boil water in a kettle. I boil water in a kettle. I fry eggs in a pan. I fry eggs in a pan. I cut vegetables. I cut vegetables. I place plates, spoons, and cups on the table. I place plates, spoons, and cups on the table. I serve breakfast for my family. I served breakfast for my family. I collect dirty clothes from the basket. I collect dirty clothes from the basket. I put the clothes in the washing machine. I put the clothes in the washing machine. I press the start button. I press the start button. The washing machine washes the clothes. The washing machine washes the clothes. I hang the wet clothes outside to dry. I hang the wet clothes outside to dry. Later, I fold the clothes. Later, I fold the clothes. I iron the shirts and trousers. I iron the shirts and the trousers. I put the clean clothes neatly in the cupboard. I put the clean clothes neatly in the cupboard. I look at the clock. I look at the clock. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I lock the door before leaving. I lock the door before leaving. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.